tell you, with all these people fishing this lake here lately, coming from out of town, might not be a lot of bass to catch anymore, but sure there's a lot of lures to find. Little popper up there. Pretty new, ain't it? Almost brand new. Cool. Another little crappie jig. Third one, about 5 minutes that I found. There's the other two. I just thought it was a crankbait. There's a crankbait. Sorry about that. I just threw your ears on the ground. And I left my clippers in the kayak. Oh, I don't need them. They're good to go. Oh, it's trash, man. I'm sure there's got to be something else good up here. That's good. Find a lot of balls on the side of the lake. Must be from all these out-of-towners, because none of them seem to have any balls. And we got a big old worm hook. I go through many of these. This one looks like it's still in good shape. Holy crap. I'm guessing that's a beaver. One ginormous turtle just jumped off that tree. I don't know if the camera got it or not. Maybe it did, but I didn't see it. That was a huge explosion. I don't know if y'all see that mud right there. But whatever's in the water, thought I was sneaking up on it and it just took off. There's something huge down there. It sounded like a beaver slapping his tail. Hey, look at that. Something shiny. It's shiny. We gotta go see what it is. Looks like a spinner bait. That's what I was guessing. Yeah, that probably was a beaver we were dealing with, because there's some broken trees, branches that have been chewed by a beaver. There's really fresh. The light was hitting that spinner perfect, because it just stood out like the sun. hooks you got on there, dude? This guy didn't want to miss this fish, did he? He made sure there was an extra hook on it. Cool. It's a little bit rusted, but put it in the treasure bin. I'm guessing this guy right here is pretty old. What do y'all think? No hooks, they've rusted off. That guy's old. I can tell. I'm no expert. Always do that. Oh, thing's not very old, is it? That's the only way you can find these plastics is if they're in the trees, because they don't float like the crankbaits do. I don't think this guy's been here very long. Another plastic. Pretty sure that's poison sumac. I ran into trees like this before, and I think they're poison sumac. So, get away from me, poison sumac. Or should I say, I should get away from you? This is the kind of place you find treasures, you poor people. It's also one of the places you stop to take a leak. Look at all that treasure. Hey, Barbara. Hey. People are so trashy. Good bobber. There's a ball. No, I'm not cleaning all this trash up and taking it home. Whoa, check that out. That's been here a while. That is a deep diving crankbait right there. I told you there was treasure over here. Look, that looks just like that other ball we just found. I know, it's getting too dark for y'all to see. It's getting too dark for me to see too. And that bobber's good. I think I'm fixing to head on back to the boat ramp. We found some decent stuff today. For some reason, this guy right here, I think's my favorite. I don't know why. He is old. On the other side. Am I going to clear y'all's lines? Alright.